Now we are going to make Cisco VLAN and port assignment. First, we are going to enter on global mode using enable command. And next, configure terminal command. So now we are going to create VLANs. We are going to create two VLANs for this tutorial, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. VLAN 10 name IT, exit. VLAN 20 name HR, exit. So we're going to confirm if our VLANs are already created. Do show VLAN brief. So this is the VLAN we just created, the IT and HR VLANs. This VLAN here is already created as default. We cannot delete this one, but we can disable this VLAN, which is the VLAN 1. The VLAN we created, we just need it to assign ports. So now we are going to assign ports for our VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Interface fast Ethernet. We are going to use the fast Ethernet port 1. Then we use the switch port command. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. No shutdown. Then we are going to assign port for VLAN 20. We're going to use the fast Ethernet port 13 for HR. Interface fast Ethernet port 13. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. No shutdown. So we are going to confirm if our VLANs has already assigned ports. Do show VLAN brief. So it is now confirmed that our VLAN IT has port 1 assignment and VLAN HR has port 13 assignment. If we're going to assign multiple ports, we just do the cell command for range. Interface range fast Ethernet. We're going to assign 2 to 12. 12. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. No shutdown. For it VLAN HR interface range fast Ethernet 14 to 24. 14 to 24 switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20, no shutdown. Okay, let's confirm again. Do show VLAN brief. So it is confirmed that our IT VLAN has ports assigned from port 1 to port 12, and our HR VLAN has port 13 to port 24.